I'm sure you guys already know about this video by thumbnail and title of the video. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about this video by looking at the thumbnail and title of the video. Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Arun Gautam and you're watching AG Vlogs. Today we are going to unbox the new DJI Ronin-S and I'm really excited about this video. I'm sure you guys already know about this video by looking at thumbnail and title of the video. And let's quickly get into the video and let's unbox this. So we're wasting no time today. So let's quickly open this box and let's do the official opening. So yeah, DJI has given a very good quality of a suitcase kind of a stuff here. So let's open this. It looks like really packed with such an awesomeness. And everything feels very perfectly organized in here. So let's quickly, take the things out. I'm really excited for this. First thing first, this is a small box. Let me see what's inside. So one silica gel, some screw. So this pouch is USB cable pouch. One USB cable here. This is of C-type cable, I guess. And this is some more cables. I don't know. I'll figure it out later. Some more screws, some accessories, and more accessories. This is Allen wrench. So this is a USB pouch. Next is we have a mounting plate here. Plate where you'll mount your camera and this plate will go on the gimbal. So let's keep it aside. Handle here. This works as a tripod. So this is kind of a great if you are out and you don't have to completely rely on handheld and you can just plug it in and you can actually set it down. So it works for putting the gimbal down and yes, works as a extended as well. The quality is very sturdy, and if I talk about the handle here, this is the main handle where you'll be attaching your gimbal here, and it has a battery inside. And let me check what is the battery. It has a button. Battery is down, so I'm opening for the first time, and I guess I have to charge it for the using it. I would like to tell you something about DJI. DJI has given a great battery in it, so you need to just charge it for 2 hours and 15 minutes, and you'll get a run time of 12 hours for a day. So pretty good work by DJI. I can see a small thing here, and this is a kind of a strap. I really don't know what is the use of it, but let's keep it here. Now the final part, the lovely monster inside. Let's take it out gently. Though it is not that much gentle. It's coming out. It looks very heavy, by the way. So this is a piece of art here. I'm really in love with this Ronin-S. So for the moment, I'm keeping it aside. So finally, my box it's empty now, and let's keep the box aside. In this part, we are going to show you how to assemble Ronin-S. First, attach the extended grip to the Ronin-S battery. So this is the extended grip, which I told you, which you can use it as a tripod as well. So you have to attach it here, and yeah, so it's attached. Now I have to attach the gimbal to the battery. So here's its lock. You have to just lock it up. So now it's, yeah. The trickiest part is to balance this gimbal with camera on it before switching it on. In this section of the video, I'm going to speed up the video, and I'm not going to show how to balance the gimbal because it'll take a lot of time to exactly show how to balance a gimbal with camera on it. So if you guys want another video for that, where you want to understand what are the things you need to keep in your mind to balance the gimbal, I can make a different video for that, but not right now. And if you want video on that, you can comment in the comment section and I will make a different video for that. Finally, our gimbal has been assembled and it's successfully balanced as well. As you can see the camera on the top here. And before I show you some of the operations of DJI, I would like to tell you some cool features which this gimbal will allow you to capture. So it has a superior stabilization and it can control up to the payload of 3.6 kilograms, and it also has a integrated camera support in it. So you can control the camera through the gimbal itself. And if I talk about, there are certain automated features like panorama, time lapses, motion lapses, 360 and track. So these can be controlled. These can be done through the DJI app. You can create awesome panoramas, awesome time lapses from the DJI app. You have to download it from the Play Store or Apple Store for your respective mobile phones. With USB support, this also gives you the ability to charge your camera, charge your other accessories. So if your battery is dying of the camera, you can charge your camera or the accessories from the gimbal itself. And DJI Ronin comes with the 4 modes, and in which 3 modes are customizable. It also comes with the sport mode, and it will give you ability to capture fast moving objects instantly. If I talk about the gimbal, it has a joystick, and if I show you, there's a joystick, and from this joystick you can control the whole of the gimbal. And this means that if you are on the go, if you are outside somewhere, and if you want to shoot something, you don't have to put both the hands, and you can control the gimbal single-handedly or single-handed operation. So once your camera is mounted on the gimbal, you are ready to turn it on. So finally, it's action time. Let's start with it. Turn this on button on the battery first, and there's also a power button on the gimbal that you have to turn it on. This is record button. This will allow you to record videos and stills. M button will allow you to switch into different modes. Double tap of the trigger will bring your camera back to the center. Hold the trigger and it will lock down the camera. Super smooth, super steady, and locked on. And if you don't lock it, this is what will happen. Triple tap is a vlogger favorite. This will bring the camera all the way around to you. So now it's a selfie Ronin. Isn't it amazing, guys? The Ronin-S retails in the market for around 6,000 rupees in India, and in US it's of $559. You can order it from online marketplaces like Amazon India or from official website DJI.com. If I open my app, so it's trying to connect from the gimbal and it's connected. I can see a lot of settings here. If I go in configuration, there is a lot of configuration options available where you can change things according to your requirements. And if I go to smooth track, so there's a settings for pan, tilt and roll respectively. And if I go and create, here are some cool automated features from where you can ask your gimbal to perform for you. So like panorama, time lapses, motion lapse, track, and each of them has settings. So I would not dive into those settings as of now. Yeah, so once you connect your gimbal to the app, you will be able to do certain things, certain automated features, and your gimbal will do it for you. Thank you so much guys for watching this video, and I really hope that you like this video, and I'm really excited to try this gimbal very soon, and you will see the difference in my video quality in forthcoming vlogs. If you have any suggestions or questions for me, feel free to leave those in comment section below. And please don't forget to subscribe this channel, and please hit the bell icon, because I really care about that, and I want that if I make any video and if I work so hard on that video, I want that notification to be pinging you all the time so that you can watch it. Till then, I'll see you in the next video. Take a good care of yourself. See you. Bye-bye. And I'm really excited about this. I'm sure you guys already know about this video by thumbnail and title. I'm sure a lot of you guys already know about this video by looking at the thumbnail and title of the video.